Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, students.
Good morning.
How are you today?
Fine, sir.
Okay, so before we start our lesson today, let's recite Al-Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, so our topic today, we are not moving to the next topic, but we are still talking about the previous lesson. The previous topic that we were talking before, and it was about what is that? Talking about previous question, yeah. The question that you did before. Yeah, so we are still talking about the previous question that you did in previous semester. Okay, so let me share the slide. Okay, hang on for a second. Oh, this is not for grade 10. Problem. Okay, last week we were talking about how to use. Can you see me?
Yes, sir.
All right, so we were talking about how to use should, yeah, how to use should, and how to use future perfect tense, future tense, and future continuous tense, right? And then you have done some questions related to this topic. Okay, so today we're going to continue to discuss the questions that you did before. Okay, let me share the slide. I'm still having problem with the slide here. Where is the slide? Can you see the slide?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
All right, what about now? Can you see the slide now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so the topic, we are still talking about reviewing the questions in the last semester and the learning objective to identify the structure of using should, identify the use of correlative conjunctions, both, not on, but also, right? Not only, but also, either and neither, and then identify the structure, future tenses, all kind of future tenses. Okay, right. So this question we did last week already. So now this one did we did we do this one already or not? Okay. Let's try to answer this one. Okay, so I want you to be active, and then, all right, so before we start the lesson, right, you have to answer these questions and then write your answer on the chat. You can send me your answer on the chat, okay? So one question, do it in 30 seconds. Okay, let's start now. When you finish, and then we will discuss these questions. Okay, let's start from now. Do these questions, and then submit your answer on the chat. Okay, let's start now. Okay. Select the correct sentence on future perfect. Now, there are 5 options here. A, I will be reading this book. B, I will have read this book by tomorrow. C, I go to read the book tomorrow. D, I will not reading the book tomorrow. E, I will be going to read the book tomorrow. And then question number 2, this one, the train. You don't need to write the question, just write the answer, okay? And then the train, blah, 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 by the time you arrive. And A will be leave, B will have left, C will leaving, D will left, E will have leave. Okay, and then number 3, it is late. I think I blah 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 take a taxi. A will take, B will to take, C will have taken, D will not to take, and then E will taking. Okay, so I saw some students already submit some answers here. Okay, let me check. Okay. You have to answer all 3 questions. Yeah, 3 questions. Not only 1 question, but all questions. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Mukti. Okay, are you ready to answer? Okay, to discuss. Please answer all. Yeah. Mezar, Zaini Najwa, and Nadia Trinanda, you answer only 1 questions. Yeah, okay. Yeah, just like Mukti Salim. Okay, that's right. That's correct. That is the way. I mean, you have to answer those 3 questions. Not only 1 questions. Okay? Finish? Ready? Okay, now let's answer together or let's discuss together. Okay, question number 1. Please answer. Okay, I'm inviting you. Who wants to answer number 1? Unmute your computer or your microphone. Okay, and then answer. Number 1, select the correct sentence on future perfect. Yes, please.
B,
Who?
sir.
Zuria. Okay, Zuria, please.
B, sir.
Okay, read the question first and then read the options.
Select the correct sentence on future perfect.
Mm-hmm.
I will be reading this book. B, I will have read this book by tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
C, I go to read the book tomorrow.
Okay.
D, I am reading the book tomorrow.
Okay.
E, I will be going to read the book tomorrow.
Okay. So, and then your answer is?
The answer is B, I will have read this book by tomorrow.
Oh, why do you pick option B? Why do you choose B?
Because future perfect itu pakai will, setelahnya have dan verb 3, sir.
Verb 3. Okay, what is the verb 3 of read?
Read, write.
Yeah, read, read. Yeah, read, read, and read. Okay. Yeah, some they write it like read. Yeah. Okay, that's very good. Yeah, that's very good. Yeah, Zuria. Okay, that is a good answer too. And so select the correct sentence on future. So first you have to identify the form or the pattern of future perfect tense. What's the pattern? Yeah, the pattern pola future perfect tense. Yeah, that's you have to remember. Okay. So it's supposed to be using will and then and then perfect tense have and then verb 3. So among these questions, among these options, ya, di antara 5 option ini, which one is future perfect tense? Yeah, the correct answer is B. That's right. A, it's not perfect tense, it's a future continuous tense. We'll be reading. C, I go to read the book tomorrow. So this is messed up, yeah, a bit, yeah. It's a confusing tenses, yeah. Tomorrow is supposed to be I will go to read the book tomorrow, yeah. Oh, I will read the book tomorrow. And I want reading the book. This also D is confusing tenses, yeah. Is not compatible. And then E, I will be going to read the book tomorrow. This one is also future continuous tense. Right, so the option or the answer is B. Let me check who got a good answer here. Okay, Mukti Salim, good answer. Mezar, not good answer. Yeah, try again. And Zeni Najwa, correct answer. Nadia, correct answer. And Nadia, yeah, okay. Only 3 questions. Okay, so next. Now, number 2. Who will answer number 2? Unmute your microphone and then answer. And then give us also your reasons. Why do you choose that answer? Okay, why do you pick that option? Yeah, okay, number 2, please, number 2. Who will answer number 2? No one? Come on. Nobody wants to try? Hello? Grade 10, where are you? Mana nih kelas 10 pada membisu?
Alasannya nggak tahu, sir.
Okay, just try. Okay, try. Just try. Okay. Just try. Never mind. Siapa itu? Who's that? Who wanna try?
Saya, sir.
Who? I cannot see.
Sir, Mukti, sir.
Mukti. Okay, Mukti Salim. Okay, right. Okay, please, Mukti.
The train, blah blah blah. By the time you arrive,
Okay.
A, will we leave? B, will have left. C, will leaving. D, will left. E,
Okay.
will have lived. My
Yeah,
answer is A, will be leave.
Will be leave. Okay, the train will be leave by the time you arrive. Okay, so why do you choose A? You don't know? Gak tahu alasannya, Mukti?
Nggak tahu, sir.
Oh, gak tahu. Okay, anybody wants to help Mukti Salim? Anybody wants to help Mukti Salim? Ada yang pengen membantu Mukti? Or maybe if you have a different answer, feel free. You can choose other options if you have different answer. Yuk, siapa yang punya jawaban berbeda atau yang mau membantu Mukti Salim? No one? Sahril Srinanda.
Nggak tahu alasannya, sir.
Nggak tahu alasannya. What is your answer, Sahril?
Yes, sir.
Which is your answer? Which option did you pick? Yang mana yang kamu pilih?
Yang lebih cocok sih kalau dari kata-katanya, sir.
Hmm.
Yang A will be live.
A. Okay. All right. So let's have a look here. The train, blah blah blah. By the time you arrive, the train, blah blah blah. By the time you arrive. Nih mengandung arti bagaimana sih ini? Pada saat the train titik-titik. Pada saat kamu sampai. Pada saat kamu sampai. Kenapa? Kira-kira apa yang terjadi? Ya, ini menceritakan orang yang terlambat sebenarnya. Ya, dia terlambat menuju stasiun. Dia mau pergi ya. Dia mau pergi ke Jakarta atau mau pergi ke Siantar. Ya, dia naik kereta api. The train by the time karena dia telat, kira-kira pada saat dia sampai ke stasiun apa yang terjadi? Nah, dari sini kita bisa melihat, you can see here, if you choose A, the train will be leave. The tenses is confusing here. Ya, the tenses here is not appropriate, nggak cocok ya. Why? We are talking about future here, menggunakan future, tapi setelah future ini menggunakan be and then verb one. Ya, ini tensesnya it's not good, is not good tenses. Ya, salah tenses ini ya. Will be leave. Harusnya di sini will leave. Nah, nggak usah pakai be kalau di sini, ya. Karena ini verb one. Jadi A is not a good answer. B will have left. Ini menggunakan future perfect tense ya. Tadi kita menggunakan future perfect tense ya, sama dengan ini future perfect tense ya. Jadi kereta itu kereta api itu akan sudah berangkat pada saat kamu sampai di stasiun ya. Jadi kamu ketinggalan kereta api kalau kamu berangkat jam. Kita membicarakan, we are talking about something in the future that already done. So already done in the future. Ya, already happen in the future. Kita membicarakan tentang sesuatu di masa yang akan datang. Satu kejadian sudah terjadi di masa yang akan datang sebelum kejadian yang lain terjadi. Jadi there are two events or actions here. There are two actions here. The first is the train will have left, and then the second is you arrive. You arrive. There are two. Ya, ada dua kejadian, ada two actions. Ya. So the first action have happened. The first action has happened before another action happen in the future. Jadi future perfect tense itu adalah menceritakan sesuatu kejadian atau satu kejadian itu sudah terjadi di masa yang akan datang sebelum kejadian yang satunya terjadi. Ingat, kita membicarakan masa yang akan datang ya. Can you understand?
Yes, sir.
Bisa dipahami nggak?
Bisa,
Sir,
sir.
Oke. Maka the pattern, what is the pattern? The pattern maka polanya itu kita menggunakan will dan perfect tense. Ya, ada will, ada perfect tense di sini. C, it is not good. Will living nggak boleh will tambahkan ing, cannot. Will cannot be connected with ing ya. And then D, will cannot be connected with verb 3. And then here E, will have leave. Leave is verb 1. Seharusnya will have left. So the good option is B. Okay? You understand?
Yes, sir.
Nah, this is perfect tense, future perfect tense. Okay, now number 3. Who want to try number 3? Siapa yang mau nyoba? Nyoba aja nggak apa-apa ya.
Me, sir.
Who's that?
Nadia, sir.
Nadia. Okay, Nadia.
Number 3. It's late. I think I blah blah blah. Take a taxi. A will take, B will to take, C will have taken, D will not to take, E will taking. The
Okay.
answer is C, sir.
Which one?
C, sir.
Okay, so C. Why? Kenapa pakai C?
Because itu present perfect future present perfect future tense.
Kenapa?
Karena itu present perfect future, sir. Jadi
Ah.
setelah have itu ada verb 3 kan, sir. Taken itu adalah verb 3, sir. Verb 3
Oke.
dari take.
Kenapa kita menggunakan present perfect future perfect here? Kenapa kita menggunakan future perfect tense here? Kalau lihat dari sini nih.
Karena ada kata terlambat, sir.
Dia, aduh, aku telat nih. I think dia kan terlambat. Kayaknya kalau kamu menggunakan ini C, dia udah naik taksi belum?
Salah, sir. Saya sir. Jawabannya, sir.
Jawab.
Sir. Sir.
Jawabannya that's right ya. Ini kan, aduh aku telat nih. Aduh kayaknya aku, kalau kamu pilih C, will have taken. Kayaknya aku akan sudah naik taksi. Nyambung nggak?
Enggak, sir.
Nggak nyambung ya. Kalau aku, aduh, telat nih aku nih. Kayaknya aku sudah akan sudah naik taksi. Nah, salah kan jadinya. Oke, so if you choose C, it's not a good answer. Kalau kamu pilih B, it is wrong pattern ya. Ini polanya salah, future-nya. So if you choose D, will not to take. Nah ini juga nggak boleh karena ini menggunakan to ya. Harusnya nggak boleh menggunakan to. Will not to take, will not take ya. Dan artinya juga is not compatible. It's not suitable with the context. And then C here will and using taking. Will's connected with continuous ya. With present participle. Tambahkan i nggak? It's not appropriate. It's not correct, right? So the correct answer is, maka di sini kita menggunakan future tense ya. Future tense. Aduh aku telat ini. Kayaknya aku akan naik taksi. Okay, I will take a taxi. So the answer is A. Okay, right. So who got a good answer? Who got a full score? Ada yang dapat full score nggak di sini? BCB, alright. So, not all of you. Nggak ada yang dapat full score ya di sini ya. Nggak ada. Oke, belum betul semua. Oke, so next. Coba lagi nih. Oke, nih ada lagi nih. Yuk. So please do it. Make it quick. Very, very quick. And then submit your answer again ya. Manda and Kiki will not blah 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 the meal when you arrive at home. A cook, B cooking, C be cooking, D cooked, E be cooked. And then the next question is blah 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 Sue blah blah blah. Sue is name of person ya. Sue ini nama orang ya. Sarah will help you with your homework. They are both busy at the moment. A, either or, B, both, and C, not only but also, D, whether or, E, neither and nor. And then don't forget, the next is don't forget your snow pants. Eat blah 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 by the time you get to school. A will snowing, B is snowing, C will be snowing, D snowing, E be snowing. And then the last question is either Carlos or his sisters blah 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 how to speak Spanish. A R, B knows, C knows, D is, and E was. All right, so you really please submit your answer. Have you submitted your answer? Yeah, okay. Ready? Belum ada yang submit nih. Belum ada yang submit?
Sir,
Oh,
nomor
sudah ada. Trinanda sudah. Mana yang lain? Nadia Trinanda. Oke, sudah. Yang lain? Belum? Okay, so because we don't have much time, so let's talk about this one. Number 2, this one, number 1, who wanna try? Siapa yang mau nyoba ini number 1? Please. Nadia, you wanna try? Nadia, you wanna try?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Amanda and Kiki will not blah 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 the meal when you arrive at home.
Arrive, ya. Arrive. Arrive itu sampai ya.
Arrive at home.
Oke.
A, cook, B, cooking, C, be cooking, D, cook, E, be cook. The answer is A, sir. A, sir.
Which is the answer?
Cook.
Manda and Kiki will not cook the meal when you arrive at home. Is it a good answer or not? Okay, anybody want to try? Nomor 1, setuju nggak jawabannya A? Ini kan ada sama juga, ada dua kejadian ya. Ada kejadian 1, Manda and Kiki will not bla 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 the meal. Yang satu lagi, you arrive at home. Nah, ini menceritakan suatu kejadian. Kejadian itu sedang berlangsung ketika kejadian yang lainnya, kejadian yang kedua terjadi. Sedang berlangsung harusnya di sini.
Oh,
Kalau
yes, sir,
kita menggunakan cook, itu adalah future. I will go to school tomorrow. That's all. Begitu aja. Tapi di sini ada kedua kejadian. Berarti satu kejadian ini barengan. Bukan barengan. Satu sedang terjadi sebelum kejadian yang lain itu terjadi. Nah, kita menggunakan future continuous tense. Yang mana future continuous tense-nya? Which is the future continuous tense?
Be cooking, sir.
Si, ya. Jadi si Manda dan Kiki itu pas kamu datang ke rumahnya, dia nggak sedang masak. Mungkin sudah selesai masak, ya. Jadi dia nggak lagi sedang masak. Ya, ketika kamu nanti ke rumahnya, kamu misalkan berangkat jam 10. Si Nanda masaknya jam 9.30 udah selesai gitu. Jadi ketika kamu nyampe di situ, dia nggak lagi sedang masak, mungkin dia lagi sedang tidur, atau dia akan masaknya mungkin nanti gitu. Ya, so the answer is B, C here ya. So next, number 2, Mukti Salim, you wanna try? Mukti Salim?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please try.
Blah blah blah. So blah blah blah. Sarah will help you with your homework. They are both busy at the moment. A, either or. B, both and. C, not only but also. D, whether or. E, neither nor. My answer is E, sir.
Neither nor.
Neither nor.
Oke, very good ya. Baik Sarah maupun Su tidak akan membantu kamu ngerjain PR-nya. Kenapa? Karena mereka lagi sibuk sekarang ya. Nah, jadi bahasa Indonesia begitu ya. Neither Su nor Sarah will help you with your homework. They are both busy at the moment. Very good. Ya, number 3. Number 3, who wanna try? Siapa ini nomor 3 yang mau nyoba? Nurjana Lubis. Are you there, Nurjana?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please try.
Don't forget your snow paint. It's blank, blank, blank. By the time you get to school, my answer is C. Will be snowing.
That's right. Yeah, very good. Yeah. Jangan lupa apa namanya baju salju kamu, jaket salju. Karena kenapa? It will be snowing by the time you get to school. Jadi ada dua kejadian juga. It will be snowing. Jadi kamu nyampe di sekolah itu akan apa namanya? Akan turun salju ya. Jadi kejadiannya itu sedang berlangsung. Kalau kejadiannya sudah tidak berlangsung lagi di masa yang akan datang, ngapain kita pakai ya snow pants ya? We don't need that, right? Atau kalau misalkan akan turun salju, ya kita nggak usah juga menggunakannya. Tapi kalau sedang turun salju, ya we have to wear that. So it will be snowing. Yeah, that's a good answer. Okay, the last question. Yeah, who wanna try? Iwan, are you there, Iwan? Oh, Rizik, can you hear me? Rizik, can you hear me? No? Adelia Desri.
Yes, sir.
Who? Who's that? Rizik, ya?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Rizik, please.
Either Carlos, number 4 kan, sir?
Number 4, yeah, number 4.
Either Carlos or her sisters, blah 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 blah, how to speak Spanish. A R B knows, C knows, D is, E was.
Yeah, okay, what's the answer? What's your answer?
B, sir, know.
No, yeah, no, not kenal, but no. Ya, how do you pronounce that? No, ya. Kamu tahu nggak kenapa kamu pilih B? Apa alasannya? Why do you answer? Why do you choose B?
Nggak tahu alasannya, sir.
Nggak tahu alasannya, pakai feeling aja. Ada yang tahu alasannya? Who knows why the answer is B? That is the correct answer. Tapi kenapa jawabannya B?
Kalau ditranslatekan satu-satu, sir, artinya Carlos ataupun kakaknya tahu bagaimana cara untuk berbahasa Spanyol, sir.
Jadi kenapa? Alasannya menggunakan no ini kenapa? Nggak pakai nose, kenapa nggak nose? Nggak pakai no? Kenapa pakai no?
Karena
salah satu dari mereka, sir. Bukan orang itu dua, sir.
Gimana?
Karena salah satu dari mereka, sir.
Karena salah satu.
Karena make atau, sir.
Oh, gitu.
Menurut saya, sir, harusnya si sir knows pakai S karena dia orang ketiga.
Karena dia orang ketiga. Oke. Nah, coba kalian lihat ini. Apa ini subjek yang terakhir?
Sisters.
Sisters, berapa sister?
1, sir.
Kenapa 1? Ini ada S-nya nih.
2, sir.
Nah, mungkin kita nggak tahu. Sisters, maybe 1, maybe 2. Pokoknya lebih dari satu, ya, more than 1. Maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 10. Ya, we don't know. Jadi kita ambil subjek yang paling akhir, ya. Jadi yang paling akhir kalau kita pakai either Carlos or his sister, are itu nggak cocok, artinya yang nggak cocok, ya. Kalau ini kan sisters. Kalau sister, kalau dia cuma satu sister and his sister knows, that's okay, that's okay. Nah, option yang bingung, yang trikinya, yang jebakannya adalah antara B dan C. A, D, dan E itu jelas-jelas salah. Karena di sini menggunakan verb, bukan to be yang dibutuhkan di situ, adalah ordinary verb. Yang dibutuhkan adalah kata kerja ordinary, ya, kata kerja yang action, ya, yang digunakan, yang dibutuhkan di situ, bukan auxiliary, ya, bukan to be. Nah, di antara dua kata kerja ini yang paling pas adalah B. Why? Because his sisters is plural. Karena sistersnya itu kan lebih dari satu. Ya, bisa 2, bisa 3. Karena kenapa ketahuinya lebih dari satu? Dari mana? Karena dia menggunakan S. Di sini menggunakan S. So the answer is B. Okay, so this is actually the previous questions, the previous topics, yeah, the last semester. Please read again your book, okay? Then you will refresh your mind again, okay? I guess if you still have question or problems, don't be hesitate, yeah. Don't worry or don't be shy to drop me questions or to send something to drop on our discussion on Schoology, okay? You are free to send it, okay? And then I think we are now at the end of our class, and we got to stop the class now or end the class now, and then we have to close our lesson today or our class today by reciting Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. We're going to continue again next week. Thank you very much for joining our class today, and have a nice day. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.